Hello and welcome to this new series about what I traded this week. This series will be a resource for you guys to take away some inspiration and trading knowledge. So today we're going to look at a trading setup that I took and why this was a one good trade and why the one good trade concept is crucial to understanding what trading is about and to understand how to become a consistent profitable trader. Just quickly, one good trade is a concept that I have adopted into my own trading. When back in the day, I read this book by the same name written by Mike Bellafiore, where he talks about this concept, and it's an amazing book and it's a must read for any traders out there. Okay, so let's get into the charts. Okay then, I was preparing and I was filtering out different trades and filtering out possible trade setups that I would look to take, and I landed on US 30 because I saw this beautiful uptrend. Price just keeps pushing up, and I was looking to take this trend trade as a continuation to the upside. In here, on lower time frames, we can see that it was developing into a possible three-wave structure, which we will examine in a second. But for now, the daily chart, I saw this uptrend and it has been going on for a while. The one thing that was concerning was the volume. Very low volume. Look at this. This is a signal of divergence and an exhaustion of the trend, which is telling me that a possible reversal can come. Either a bigger correction or even a fall. Because if we examine the weekly or monthly chart, this is extended. Okay? We have a sharp move here and we just got all of this. Another sharp move is possible from a wave perspective, because this would give us a pattern here. But I was not looking for that move, because as of this moment the chart is still bullish, it's still pushing up, volume is concerning, but there's no reason to look for sells if the price action is not reflecting that it's time to take a sell. There's no reason to go against the trend or against the current price action, because if you do that, you will lose a lot of money. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. With the daily chart in mind, I was looking for a continuation of the uptrend, and here on the 4 hour we see a possible three-wave structure, right? Look at this. We have one wave here, second wave here, and a possible third wave for this to continue up. So that was the play I was watching out for. And here on the 4 hour, I also was looking out for this level, this previous high right here, because this was an area of interest and also the area where the price actually made this impulse from, where it came up. Okay then, let's go down to the 1 hour and see how this plays out, and I will comment on my thought process during the trade. Let's plot in VWAP, because that's what I use, and the open, daily open. We do see that intraday context is definitely bearish, below VWAP, below the open, and the pattern is indicating that we're in a third wave coming down to take out this low. So I was doing nothing. I was waiting patiently, even though there was an opportunity for sell, but was not looking for that. Volume spiked, price is spiking, breaking this low. We see that now we're talking. This is exactly what I was looking for. I was not getting involved just yet. I wanted to wait and see what's gonna happen down here. Let's take a new day, a new low. Let's go to 15 minute. Look at how messy this is. A lot of buying and selling action. We bounced off this new day and this new calculated VWAP. This is where I got involved when we started coming back into and above this level. Volume elevated, got the 3-wave pattern. The higher time frame context is in our favor as well. Let's see what the price action did next. This is a one good trade for me. The variables are there, and I've traded this pattern consistently for a long time. So I'm gonna let it play out. Came down at the open. Oh, and there. This is now trading around the open and VWAP. Let's see how it develops. It's fighting right now for position, right? But came above VWAP, came above the open, and it's about to trade into previous price action area where all this volume lies. These are bullish signs for me and serves as a confirming tool that the trade is going my favor. Let's play it out again. Trade started spiking now. Let's see. It's correcting, it's moving, correcting. Okay, this is now a good time to move your stop losses. And I did. Let's check the 1 hour. I would move my stops to this area here. And this is a time for patience. Okay, you have to be patient here. Structure looks good. It looks like it's gonna go and take this top, exactly what we want. But let's be patient and play this out. See, came back to VWAP. Now this is a very good time to keep stop losses right around here. I always, not always, but in this case I trailed my stop below VWAP, and I was looking for a bounce off this VWAP right here to continue up. And yeah, my stops were in some profit here, which is pretty nice. But look at what happened. This is a very good example, and I think it's important to bring up because it illustrates what trading is, what type of game that trading is. Okay? Trading is a game of probability. This is why you should never get attached to your trading ideas and believe that it will work. This will only cause emotional distress, okay? And you will end up making random decisions. So patience and understanding that new information always comes into the market are key here. But in this case, I was still looking for a buy because look at this. Like, this new information that the charts are now reflecting has not yet changed the overall structure and patterns of what I trade. Look at this. It came down to around this key area, this demand zone, and we still have a 3-wave structure. Not only that, but we're spiking on volume, so a lot of players are interested. So there's actually volume in the market right now to move the market, to move the price. Let's see, I'm gonna plot in this secondary trend line as well. Then here, go down to the lower time frames and we see how price is moving up on volume, coming up. What do we got here? A little flat. Look at this. This is a bullish structure developing on elevated volume with all the other variables in mind, making this a one good trade. So I got involved again. Right here. Play this out. Speed this up. Came up, exploded up. And I'm gonna just close it here because there's another point that I want to talk about and that I think is very important and many people miss. Okay. So now price spiked up and is correcting above VWAP and just below the open. So what is this? It's strong right now. Price is moving strongly up. But notice the volume. Yup. Where's the volume? It's not there. So this, look at this. Look at how sharp it is. Taking profit right here, taking profit into strength is a best practice that will help you and elevate your trading to the next level. So taking half your position off here and putting the other half to break even, that's trading mechanics at its best. It's important to pay yourself, and it's important to understand that adaptation and management is a big part of trading. So let's play this out. Take off half, put position, the rest into break even. Okay, it's correcting right now and it's looking good. It's holding VWAP, which is clearly bullish. So I did not add here actually, but there was an opportunity to add on VWAP. A new day, a new open. We are trading above it. This is where I added though. A bit late, but here was where I noticed that this might continue its uptrend. Volume still low though. And corrected some more, but look at price, how it held VWAP. And it stayed above the open. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Volume spiked a little bit. Price is moving up. Still looking good. Price is starting to correcting. Notice the volume though. Like, there is no volume. So again, take off some profits and move your positions, the rest of your positions, to break even, however your strategy dictates. But always remember to pay yourself. And this is a very concerning, that there is no volume. So price is still moving up. Let's play this out. VWAP slightly trending, and then this happened. Just look at this. Was I expecting this? No, not at all. But was this trade a one good trade for me? Yes, it was. I followed my process and the variables were there. Yes, I was looking for the trade to go up and break this top. It didn't do that, and that's okay. I can't read the future. No one can foresee the future, okay? But we can identify what the market is doing and what it might do, and then manage and adapt our trades to what's happening in real time. Because even though the market didn't do as I was expecting, doesn't matter, I still made money, okay? And this was still a one good trade for me. So remember, we're not investors, we are traders. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video here because I don't wanna go on a rant or talk for too long, so I'm just gonna end it with thank you for watching and see you next time.